Hi guys, I want to tell you a little bit more about linking verbs. We started a little bit in class, but let me just finish out so we can move on. You'll see on your handout that shows the sentence pattern diagramming. You'll see sentence pattern number 3 and sentence pattern number 4 show you the ways that linking verbs are used. I want you to think about linking verbs. Remember, in this class, we're more looking at the roles that words have in sentences and less about what they are as standalone words. So, for linking verbs, I want you to think about it as it is a verb that links thing 1 to thing 2. And it's almost like you could put an equal sign instead of the linking verb. Hold on, let me adjust this. You could put an equal sign between the two things that you're linking. And so I want you to think about it in that way. So let's take two words. We have I, teacher. It's two nouns. I is actually a pronoun. Teacher is a noun. We can make a sentence. I am a teacher. Sorry for my handwriting. I'm trying to do it sideways. Okay. I, teacher. This is our linking verb. So if I'm analyzing my sentence, I will say this is my subject pronoun, SP. This is my linking verb. This is a noun. And with a linking verb, that makes this a predicate noun, and we abbreviate that PN. This here is an article adjective. It's modifying teacher. So when I'm going to diagram this sentence, I draw my line. Trying to see if you guys can see that. The subject is I. Here's my subject verb line. Teacher. No, I'm sorry. Subject verb, I am. Am is my verb. It's my linking verb. Then I'll make a diagonal line here and write out teacher. I am teacher. And A is my article adjective, and it's modifying teacher, so it goes underneath like that. I'm hoping you can see that. So let me give you a few more examples. Okay, let's use Bob and ball hitter. We'll use ball hitter as one word, ball hitter. I'm not even sure that's how you spell it, but Bob hitter. Bob equals ball hitter. We have our thing 1 and our thing 2. So we have our sentence, Bob is a ball hitter. Bob is our subject. It's our subject noun. It's a proper noun, someone's name. Our verb is, and ball hitter is a noun that's being linked with Bob. That makes this a linking verb. We'll label it LV. Ball hitter is a predicate noun. To diagram this, we would have our line, our subject verb line. Bob is our subject. Is our verb. Again, our diagonal line. I kind of like to think about this as you could just put an arrow there, linking ball hitter to Bob. But you have your diagonal line, and then ball hitter. Of course, we need the word a, which is our article adjective, which is modifying ball hitter, which goes underneath. Okay, let me show you the same concept using an adjective. We'll have our two words. She and pretty. We're wanting to link these two words together using a sentence. She equals pretty, you could say. So our sentence would be, she is pretty. Our subject is she. It's a pronoun, so we would label it subject, pronoun, SP. Our verb is. Pretty is an adjective, and it's in the predicate, and it's renaming the subject. This makes this our linking verb, and pretty is our predicate adjective. So we're not using a noun, we're using an adjective. We diagram this the same way. Our subject-verb line, she. Our verb is. Then we have our diagonal line here, pretty. Now, of course, there's lots of ways you can use this. We can do the same word and the same principle. We could do I am scared. I am scared. Scared is being linked with I. I equals scared. This is our subject, and it's a pronoun. This is my linking verb, linking I and scared. And scared is a predicate adjective. So let me erase all of this. Now there are other words that I want to list out for you, and please write these down as you're taking notes. There are other words that we can use as linking verbs. I have a list for you. Sounds, feel, I feel scared. The drum sounds loud. Look, she looks tired. Became. Of course, you have am and is. Then was. So there's lots of words that we can use as linking verbs. So the main thing to remember is one thing equals another thing. Okay? Let's see how I solve this.